Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna share this very quick and easy makeup look for this year's Valentine's Day. It's a soft glowy base makeup paired with a pink shimmer eyes with pink glossy lips, very juicy lips, which you can definitely wear during the daytime. It looks beautiful in person and you can simply use whatever products you have to create this gorgeous look. It's going to work on all skin tone out there. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So as usual, I have well prepped my skin, moisturized my skin really well, applied sunscreen. Now it's time to prep my lips, for which I'm using this Velvet Affair Sheer Tinted Lip Butter. This particular brand is an amazing brand, guys, which you can definitely check out. Her products is of amazing quality and her lip balms and lip butters are enriched with such amazing oils which are going to take care of your lips, nourish your lips, at the same time going to add some amazing tint to your lips. Now it's time to move on to the brows, for which I'm using this RECODE Brow Show Eyebrow Defining Gel Pencil, which comes with the eyebrow product on the one side and the spoolie on the other side. If you're a beginner, you can simply try out this particular product to just groom your eyebrows. The Faces Canada Eyebrow Defining Pencil is also one of my favorite products, which surely you can try out, but this one is very easy to use because the consistency of this one is so beginners friendly, because it's not having that very waxy texture at the same time nor very creamy. Perfect texture which helps in gliding on your brows really well. So as you can see, I have outlined my brows at the same time using small strokes. I have filled in the gaps that I am having in my brows. Now with the help of the spoolie it comes with, I'm distributing the product on all over my brows, and this particular shade called dark brown is such a perfect match because I have dark black hair and this works really well. So if you're a beginner, if you want to use something with which you can just do your eyebrows within a minute, you can simply use this particular product. So just outline your eyebrows, then fill in the gaps and then distribute the product, and you're gonna achieve really amazing well groomed eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use this particular eyebrow setting gel from LAMEL. I am obsessing over this particular product, guys, because it actually laminates my eyebrows and makes it so long wearing. So it's a clear gel. Mine is a little bit dirty because of the eyebrow product which I always put into this particular gel. So you can see I'm just putting it like this on all over my brows so that I can achieve that bushy looking brows. It also adds a little bit of thickness to my brows, and this combination works so well and I'm using it non-stop, guys. I'm loving my bushy eyebrows and it actually helps me in achieving that. If you're a beginner, you can simply use the eyebrow pencil and it's just good to go. Today I'm not going to use any foundation. You can use your favorite foundation for your special day, but since it's mostly of a daytime makeup look, I just want to use something which is very skin like, at the same time going to add a lot of glow to my skin. And this particular one from SMASHBOX, it's a Hello Healthy Glow Tinted Moisturizer, is something I'm loving, guys. Look at the shade match. Medium tan is just my perfect match. It's a beautiful like medium shade which is having warm olive undertone, the kind of undertones which goes really well on my skin tone. And this is enriched with goji berry extract. It's having niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, which is going to add a lot of plumping effect on your skin. Now with the help of my Real Techniques expert face brush, you guys keep on asking me about really good quality like foundation blending brushes. I think you should definitely try out this particular brush because it's a multifunctional brush with which you can blend out your foundation, concealer, powder, whatever you want on your face, and you can see the glow the tinted moisturizer gives, guys. It's an amazing product. It is having like a light to medium coverage. You can simply build this up and make it look really full coverage on the skin, but I really like to keep it in a medium mode because that's how beautiful it looks on my skin, and you can see the glow this one gives. Yes, this one oxidizes a little bit on my skin, which I have noticed, but if you use a lighter shade of concealer with it, and it's going to look beautiful, guys. Today I have did that and it has worked really well. So for the concealer, I'm using my OG, my holy grail, my all-time favorite Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the variant Warm Beige, and I'm just using like small little dots, as you can see, on the inner portion of my eyes, on the outer portion of my eyes, on the spots, like small little spots, acne marks that I am having on my face. And now with the help of this concealer brush, I'm blending that out, and you can see it's a full coverage concealer, perfect for using on an everyday basis if you have really dark circles, and if you want to hide them, you can use this particular one on an everyday basis. But for any kind of special look, for any kind of looks for special occasions, you can simply use this one as well. So you can see it's a full coverage concealer, but it adds a beautiful healthy glow, and it looks really good on the skin, guys. It doesn't look like a cakey product. And with the help of my brush again, I'm just blending out everything so that everything looks seamless. And you can see the combination of the Smashbox tinted moisturizer and the Too Faced concealer, guys. Just game changing, guys. Game changing products. You can definitely check these out. Now it's time to add some color to my cheeks, so for which I'm using this cream blush from House of Makeup. It is a Dab and Glow Easy Lip and Cheek Tint in the variant Burnt Rose. A beautiful, warm, like raspberry pink color, which is having completely warm undertone, going to suit all Indian skin tones. Since I'm using all the shades which are more towards the pink category, the color palette is actually pink, so I'm adding like a pink blush, but it's very soft looking on the skin. It looks beautiful in person. During the daytime, you can simply pull this off. So as you can see, this particular blush is very emollient in nature, and it's very easy to blend out on the skin. At the same time, it doesn't disrupt your foundation. So I have added the first layer of the product, and then I have added one more layer so that I can make it look more popping on my skin. And you can see it's very easy to blend out, and it looks beautiful on the skin. It is having a nice glow, which paired up really well with the kind of base makeup which I have created today. It looks really healthy on the cheeks, guys. And House of Makeup products are all enriched with some really good skincare ingredients, so if you are more into skincare, you can simply try out this particular product. Now for setting my face, I'm using another product which I'm completely obsessing over again, and this one is by e.l.f. Cosmetics. It is our Halo Glow setting powder in the variant medium, which is a very finely milled setting powder, and I'm in love with it because it actually is going to add a little bit of glow to your skin without adding any chunky glitter particles or shimmers. It is having that illuminating effect, guys, which I have seen, but it was so lightweight on the skin. At the same time, it sets my concealer, foundation, everything. It is super duper lightweight, doesn't look like a cakey product on the skin, and you can definitely check this out. For the bronzer, I'm using something which is very natural looking on my skin. The LAMEL Sun-Kissed bronzer is something that surely you can try out if you are into clean makeup looks. I think this is a must buy for you because it's very soft looking on the skin. This particular shade is going to work really well on all Indian skin tones because it's going to add that warmth to your skin without adding any layer of muddiness or grayish tones to your skin. You can use it as a contour product, you can use it as a bronzer. I use it basically as my bronzer because it's going to add some dimension to my skin without adding any kind of muddiness to my skin, which I absolutely love. So as you can see, I'm applying it underneath my cheekbones, more like a bronzer, not like a contour, just covering like a more area on my skin and blending that out really well, and it is looking really natural, guys. I'm going to add this on the sides of my nose in order to make it look more snatched and more in dimension. So as you can see, this is how my bronze skin looks like. Very wearable, perfect for wearing during the daytime. Now it's time to move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to use one single eyeshadow just on all over my eyelid, just as a single wash of color. But it's a shimmery eyeshadow, and this one is from ColourPop. It is a Super Shock eyeshadow in the variant Roy J. Biv, and this is a stunning like a pink shimmer shade, which is going to give you like a golden shift from one side and the pink shift or like a soft rose gold shift from the other side, guys. These are beautiful looking one and done eyeshadows that simply you can use on your eyelid and you're just good to go. You don't need any other product. You can use whatever rose gold shade or shimmery pink shade you have in any one of your palettes, and you can simply create this eye look. Just take the shadow and apply it on all over your eyelid and you're just good to go. You don't need to just create multiple steps. And using a bronzer, I'm going to smoothen out the edges. As you can see, this is how I mainly do my one and done eyeshadow look. So you can use any brown eyeshadow in place of bronzer as well, but the bronzer works the best when it comes to this kind of looks. And now done, you don't need to do anything. Using the bronzer again, I'm going to run it on all over my lower lash line to add some dimension to my lower lash line. And you can also use a brown in this place as well. And this is how it turned out. Now it's time to move on to the kajal, because I'm gonna tightline my upper waterline using a black kajal, and this one is from PLUM. This particular kajal is underrated, guys, but it is one of the best like long wearing kajals that I have tried out so far. It's our I Swear by Kajal in the variant black, and it's very pigmented, easy to apply. So as you can see, I'm tightlining my upper waterline with the help of this particular kajal. This helps in making your lashes look really voluminous, and it also adds some really nice depth to your eyes. Now for my lower waterline, I'm going to use a nude eye pencil. This one is from LA Girl. It is our Shockwave metallic eyeliner in the variant Lullaby, which is basically a nude shade which is having like a metallic effect. Looks really good on the lower waterline. Now this particular look needs like a bold black winged eyeliner, for which I'm using my all-time favorite, the INGLOT AMC gel eyeliner in the variant 77. This is, I think, the most pigmented and the most long wearing eyeliners that I have in my collection. I'm gonna soon do a video with my favorite eyeliners, like updated version, and you're gonna enjoy that one as well. And you can see with the help of my PAC 099 brush, I have created this beautiful dark bold black winged eyeliner with this shimmery eye look. And this is how it looks like, guys. It looks beautiful in person. I have added the nude eye pencil on my lower waterline in order to make my eyes look really big. I do have big eyes, but when you add something nude on your lower waterline, it's going to make your eyes look like a doll. It helps in making it look really big. So as you can see, I have drawn the beautiful like black winged eyeliner on my left eye as well. This INGLOT AMC gel eyeliner is completely smudge proof, budge proof, and it's going to last you the entire day. It's not going to smudge, it's not going to budge. And look at the pigmentation and the jet black color, guys. This is, I think, the blackest black liner which is, I think, available in India, and I have tried out till date. Now for the mascara, I'm using Swiss Beauty's Lift and Curl 4D mascara. This is so voluminous. It looks so beautiful on the eyes. Love the formulation of this one. Love the applicator it comes with. One of the best mascaras that I have tried out so far. And it actually makes everything visible. You can simply use like mascara. You don't have to wear falsies. But I have not been using falsies since a long time, guys. So I thought of using it today. That's why I have added a pair of falsies today after the application of mascara. And you can see this is how the Swiss Beauty mascara looks on its own. It looks beautiful. It actually makes your lashes look really voluminous and at the same time spidery, which I really like because I like that kind of effect. And for the lash today, I have used my holy grail all-time favorite PAC Mink lash in number M75, and this is how it turned out. It's looking super duper gorgeous. Now it's time to move on to the lips, for which I'm using this Romand Blur Fudge tint in the variant Cool Rose Up. It's a very pretty warm rosy pink color, perfect for using during the daytime. It's going to brighten up your face, at the same time doesn't look overpowering. So as you can see, such a pretty sweet pink color, guys. I love this range from Romand, like a soft lightweight moussey texture, pigmented, easy to apply on the lips, at the same time ultra lightweight. You don't feel like anything on your lips. It doesn't dry out your lips, very comfortable to wear. It smudges a little bit, almost become transfer proof after a while, but I like how it feels on my lips. You can use it as your cheek tint as well because of the moussey, soft, cushiony texture of the product. So with the help of the fingers, I am going to just blot it down a little bit and distribute the product. And this is how Cool Rose Up looks on my lips. A shade that's going to work on all skin tones out there. On top of that, today I'm going to use a lip oil. I'm using this one from LAMEL. Again, it is our Hope Glow lip oil in the variant Courage, which is actually a clear lip oil, and I love this particular range from LAMEL. It's not having any pigment, so you can use it on top of any lipstick, any lip liner you have. You can use it on its own, on top of any lip balm you have. You can use it, and this is a game-changing product, guys. It is so nourishing. And it doesn't bleed, it doesn't like feel sticky on the lips. At the same time, it adds that complete like a mouth-watering juicy effect on the lips, which is so perfect for Valentine's Day. Now you need to set your overall makeup so that your makeup won't budge. It's going to be there on your face for a very long time. It'll be just going out, and you just want your makeup to be staying really strong, for which I've added the LA Girl setting spray. For the perfume of the day, I'm using ZARA's Cashmere Rose, which is said to be the dupe of Gucci's Flora. And it's a eau de parfum, and it's long wearing. It's a very like a soft floral fragrance with that silky undertone. Like you can feel like a satin sort of finish, and you're gonna actually enjoy it. So this is how I have created this very wearable yet very pretty looking look for this year's Valentine's Day, which is perfect for the beginners. The base looks so glowy, so juicy lips, and I hope you like it. Do not forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Happy Valentine's Day in advance to every one of you. Take care. Bye.